In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pandadoc contract. We'll walk through the full process together, from starting a new document, all the way to sending it out for signature. By the end, you'll be able to confidently create and send a basic contract in Pandadoc without missing any important steps. To begin, log into your Pandadoc account and head to your main dashboard. From here, you're going to start a brand new document. Look for the New button, then choose Document, and select the option that lets you upload or select a file. This is where you bring in your contract template or the agreement you want your client or partner to sign. Once your file is uploaded and opened in the editor, you're ready to start customizing. Next, you'll want to add your recipients. These are the people who will receive and sign the contract. Find the recipient area and enter their names and email addresses. Take a moment to double-check spelling here, because if an email is incorrect, the contract won't reach the right person. If multiple people need to sign, make sure you add each one as a separate recipient. Now let's add the actual contract terms or any additional wording you need. On the right-hand side, you'll see a panel with different content blocks. Look for the text block and drag it onto your document where you want to add or edit text. You can type directly into this text block, paste in your contract language, and format it as needed. Use this space to confirm the scope of work, payment terms, timelines, or any other details that are important to your agreement. Once your text looks good, it's time to place your fields. In the same right-hand panel, find the signature and date fields. Drag the signature field onto the part of the document where you want someone to sign. Then, drag a date field near that signature so the signing date is recorded. Repeat this for each person who needs to sign, placing their own signature and date fields where appropriate. After placing your fields, you need to assign them to the correct recipient. Click on each individual field, and you'll see a small drop-down appear. From that drop-down, choose the right recipient for that field. This tells Pandadoc who is responsible for signing or filling out that specific area. Make sure every signature and date field is assigned correctly so there's no confusion during signing. When everything is set up, you're ready to send. Click Review and Send to quickly scan through your document one last time. If everything looks correct, click Continue and then choose Send Document. Pandadoc will email your recipients with a secure link so they can review and sign your contract online. Once they've signed, you'll be notified, and your fully executed contract will be stored safely in your Pandadoc account.